Welcome to Learn Forex Trading Series by Trinetta Burrell. What is traded in Forex? This is the baby pip snippets. Money, more specifically, currencies are traded in Forex. Currencies are bought and sold based upon the current and future condition of the particular country that the currency is associated with. For example, if you buy the US dollar, you are saying that you believe the US's economy is strong and will get stronger. In general, the exchange rate of a currency versus other currencies is a reflection of the condition of that country's economy compared to other economies. The most heavily traded currencies, often referred to as the major currencies, represent the world's largest economies. Currency symbols always have 3 letters. The first 2 letters identify the name of the country, and the third letter identifies the name of that country's currency, usually the first letter of the currency's name. So, for example, NZD. NZ is the country name, which is New Zealand, and D represents dollar, their currency name. In the next video in this How to Trade Forex series, we'll go over buying and selling currency pairs. Thanks for watching. Like this video, like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to follow me on social media, especially on YouTube.